Here's how to access your State Farm policy documents online. First, open up any web browser. Now head over to statefarm.com. Here, click on the login button in the top right corner of your screen. Now input your secure user ID. Then click on continue. After that, you want to enter your password. Now click on login. Once your main dashboard loads, you want to click on the profile icon in the upper right hand corner of your screen and select documents. Your records are cataloged by insurance type, auto, home, vendor, life. Locate the specific asset container you need to review and click on it. Look for the red hyperlink labeled Policy Notice. Once you click on it, the interface will immediately launch a separate browser tab displaying your complete multi-page legal document. From here, you can print it or download it as a PDF. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.